Welcome back to American Dream Mansions, where we bring you the most stunning luxury homes across the United States. Today, we're taking you on an exclusive tour of a breathtaking modern mansion in Texas, priced at $4,700,000. This home combines elegance, comfort, and state-of-the-art design, making it a dream come true for anyone looking for the perfect balance of style and functionality. Let's start with the exterior. From the moment you approach, the house makes a statement with its sleek silver gray color, contemporary architecture, and perfectly manicured landscaping. The driveway leads to a spacious garage that can accommodate multiple vehicles, perfect for car enthusiasts or a growing family. Every detail, from the modern lighting to the clean lines of the facade, shows meticulous attention to design. Now, let's take a drone view. The aerial perspective really highlights the size of the property and its surrounding gardens. You'll notice the outdoor spaces are just as impressive as the interior, featuring relaxing patios, greenery, and a stunning backyard that's perfect for entertaining guests or enjoying quiet moments in nature. Stepping inside through the grand entrance, you're immediately greeted by a spacious living room flooded with natural light. The room features modern furniture, elegant decor, and a welcoming atmosphere that makes it perfect for both family gatherings and formal entertaining. The open layout allows for a smooth flow between the living room, dining area, and kitchen, making this home ideal for today's lifestyle. Speaking of the kitchen, it's a chef's dream. With sleek silver gray cabinets, marble countertops, and top-of-the-line appliances, this kitchen blends luxury with functionality. The large island provides ample workspace, perfect for preparing meals or hosting casual gatherings. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, complete with a stylish table and chairs that can seat the whole family comfortably, with plenty of natural light streaming in through expansive windows. The mansion also features a home gym, ideal for staying active without leaving the comfort of your own home. Equipped with modern exercise machines, free weights, and a spacious layout, it's a fitness enthusiast's paradise. And for relaxation, the entertainment room comes with a large flat-screen TV, plush seating, and ambient lighting, creating the perfect environment for movie nights or gaming with friends. Moving on to the bedrooms, each space is designed with comfort and style in mind. The master bedroom is a true retreat, featuring a king-size bed, floor-to-ceiling windows, and luxurious finishes throughout. The attached bathroom is spa-like, complete with a freestanding bathtub, glass shower, and elegant fixtures, providing a serene place to unwind after a long day. One of the highlights of this mansion is the outdoor swing area. Imagine sipping your morning coffee while enjoying the fresh air in a cozy swing surrounded by lush landscaping. The backyard also features a sparkling pool, perfect for cooling off on hot Texas days or hosting summer parties with friends and family. Every inch of this property has been designed to impress. From the modern lighting to the high-quality finishes and attention to detail, it's a home that truly stands out. Whether you're looking for a permanent residence or a luxury getaway, this mansion offers everything you need. Here at American Dream Mansions, we make it easy for you to explore these incredible properties. All our services are completely free for buyers, as we are compensated by the builders or sellers. We also provide advice and tips to help you make the best choice when buying your dream home. If this mansion caught your eye, don't wait. Click the link in the description to view more property details or schedule a free consultation with our team. We're here to help you every step of the way, from touring homes to finalizing your purchase. Thank you for joining us on this tour. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to American Dream Mansions. By subscribing, you'll be the first to see new luxury properties as soon as they hit the market. Stay tuned for more jaw-dropping home tours and dream-worthy designs. Remember, whether it's a modern mansion, luxury villa, or cozy family home, American Dream Mansions brings you the best properties in the country. See you in the next tour.